Hey guys, welcome to Sopi Mix Studio Umbiamas, conectando Aruba com o mundo via vídeo podcasting. Conectar conosco, compartilhar ideias e histórias para nos inspirar e papo com abrir. Sopi Mix Studio é plataforma de podcast na Aruba. Follow-nos no Facebook, subscribe no YouTube ou na plataforma de podcast preferido. Escute o podcast preferido que hora e onde está. Sopi Mix Studio, powered by Credits, botou ideia? Credits educava e prepara a abo para ser um empresário exitoso. De business plan, guia personal e préstamo para negócio até com 100,000 florin. Bira para mês donho com Credits. Subway, passa na Subway para o sop, salada, wrap ou flatbread e mais fresco. Com 7 localidades rond Aruba, não está cerca de Ibo. Subway. Swing Masters, organizando events, conferences of weddings, Mr. de luz, sound, staging, DJ, trussing ou flat screen, Swing Masters está claro para ser boa fiesta um êxito. Swing Masters. E agora, Sopi Mix Studio é plataforma de podcast de Aruba, está apresentar.
Good afternoon, and good morning if you wake up after this amazing rainy night.
Let's see. Good morning. How you doing?
Let's do the introductions. Hi, my name is Bruce Harms. Welcome to a special edition of Tech Impact Family at the Table. My name is Bruce Harms. I said it twice already, sorry. And I'm a multimedia engineer, digital evangelist, and overall technology enthusiast. Jean-Luc.
Wow, you took most of my job already. So, my name is Jean-Luc. I am a student at the University of Aruba, and I've had an interest in tech and games my entire life. And my little sister, who are you?
Talk to the microphone,
Talk to
Hailey.
the mic.
My name is Hailey Harms.
Right. And what do you do?
I do painting, go somewhere, and I do everything.
That's right. You do everything. And so welcome to the show, Hailey. This is Jean-Luc and Papi's show. We come every Saturday. And you wanted to come, why?
Who are them?
Those are our producers' kids, and they have to be quiet. But it's okay. They're over there helping out, producing this show. Do you know what Sopi Mix is and Tech Impact? You know what kind of show it is? On the internet, right? Where does it go?
Down at the table to enter it is. And I see some tape on the bottom next to your legs.
I'm going to have to raise the volume on her. Yes, so the audio goes through the cables to the computer, and then where does it go? It goes online, right?
Yeah, and
Hailey, you got to talk to the microphone.
and there's buttons on the bottom.
All right.
I
Very
feel
good.
them.
Yeah. So, everybody, thank you, listeners. I hope you'll have some patience with the different age groups we have today. I thought it would be interesting to have a young mind's perspective on the internet. So, Hailey, do you know what the internet is?
Yeah, it can be zapping or it's not allowed to have water.
What? I didn't hear you well. You got to talk to the microphone.
That is look like zapping you, but it's not. But
it's-
that's all water's not allowed to go on it.
Exactly. This is our panel, our mixing panel, right? So, you know what we're going to do, Hailey? Jean-Luc and Papi and Hailey, we're going to talk about our favorite shows that we like to watch on YouTube. Do you like YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, let's ask Jean-Luc. Why don't you ask Jean-Luc? Jean-Luc, what's your favorite show? Go ahead. On the mic.
In the mic, Hailey.
My favorite show is the LOLs.
LOLs?
LOLs?
Oh, and you know what that means?
No.
Me neither. Do you also watch another show? I thought I saw you do Anna and Elsa.
Elsa and Anna Bob I watch too. That's That's my favorite too.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
Anna and Elsa? Should we let our listeners listen to a little bit of Anna and Elsa? Shall we listen to it? No.
Yeah.
It's keep your headphones on.
Okay.
I have it on my computer, and we're gonna let people hear it. So let me stop our audio. And here we go, everybody. This is Hailey's favorite show. It is from the YouTube channel Come Play With Me. And it's very interesting. It's just people filming, playing with dolls. And let's listen to an excerpt. Uh-oh. What's going on?
Down next to me.
There we go.
Have a great summer day. There come my babies. We're not babies, Elsa. Yeah, we're all grown up.
Oh, girls, you'll always be my babies, no matter how old you are, because you're my kids.
So what's happening, Hailey?
Okay, Adrian, we'll stop over here. And now
Because
tell
they
the
call them
girls.
baby because they're kids.
They're kids?
Behind you.
And
Look what we
we
have.
call them
What is that?
hi girls because
that a splash
they're not our
Elsa, look. I
friends.
think it is on here.
So
Wow.
we're gonna go back. I'm gonna stop it now. So you watch this all the time, right?
No,
No? What else do you watch?
I watch LOL.
Right. And where do you watch that at home? Do you have your own computer?
No.
Don't you right now? I just made one for you. The white keyboard, remember?
Yeah, but it's not a computer. It's a little TV.
It's a little TV.
She's
Yes,
not
it-
wrong.
Yeah, she's not wrong. Yeah, so for the listeners, I have a Raspberry Pi, and that's funny, right? Okay. She likes being on the show. And and we set up a Raspberry Pi for her to watch some YouTube on her own. And I highly recommend to put a cap on it. So what do you think, Jean-Luc? Now it's Jean-Luc's turn, okay, Hailey?
Okay.
Did you drink some water?
Yeah.
All right, now it's it. Now we're going to ask Jean-Luc a couple of questions.
Okay.
So, Jean-Luc, what are your favorite shows?
Wouldn't you like to know, Hailey? It's something that one of my favorite channels on YouTube is called the Exploring series.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got more favorite channels.
Of
You got to
course
speak
you
to
do.
the microphone.
I got more favorite channels.
Yeah, but what you have to do now in a show like this, you got to wait your turn, okay? Go ahead.
Oh, she's so excited.
Go ahead, Jean-Luc.
And pretty much what this YouTuber does is collect and summarize and explore massive good morning, massive amounts of stories that are
Right.
usually told via different medias and tales and everything. And so he collects and compiles them in a single, much more easily digestible video.
Okay. Sort of like the Internet Historian?
Sort of, yeah, exactly like the Internet Historian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite shows. So I highly recommend. Internet Historian is started a while back, and he's really amped his production value.
Yeah.
So he really nobody's doing what he was doing or is doing, and I think it's still important. I would love to have like an Aruban Internet Historian where we start telling people that, for example, one of the first digital startups was Arubuk.
Oh.
You know, and
Nice.
and we'll dive. I think Tech Impact will be doing that sowieso. You know, I have, how many subscriptions do you have?
Oh.
Too much.
You
Yeah.
forgot me.
Oh, I didn't I? But Hailey, do you have your own Google account?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
or
do?
do you use mommy's?
Mommy's.
Yeah, I know. So you said just now you had some other shows that you like. What else do you like?
I like the
What are they called?
the one say cookie fans, and it do some, and it got Rainbow Dash toy, and it got a bad bomb.
And what are the shows about?
That's enough. Hailey.
They always say cookie fans before they run out, and then when it's done, they let us choose other one is called for Cookie Fans.
Oh.
So it's interactive.
Do you know what that means?
No.
I know. I'm just teasing. Okay, nice job. But what are you watching? What is the visual, as they say? What do you see with your eyes?
I see a cookie
Mm-hmm.
is with
Talk at the microphone.
first we got cookies
Mm-hmm.
and then there's little dots of chocolate
Mm-hmm.
and then they look like cookie fat. Look like that.
Wow. But don't you like watching animals too?
Yeah.
Like funny doggies?
Yeah.
That's one of, what else do you like?
I like to watch Ryan.
Ryan. Oh, that's also very famous. You know what? And now it's my turn. And me and Jean-Luc are now going to bounce some ideas, as they say. Ryan's toy review.
Oh.
Super famous, right?
Yeah.
Huge. He has his own toy brands even now.
Let's do a simple Google search. Ryan's toy review. And yeah, Ryan's World, excuse me. It was no more Ryan's Toy Review, and then it turned into Ryan's World.
So that it encompasses all the other video types that they make. Because they make blogs, they make ads, they make the typical videos of reviews. He games even now as like a typical video
So he's
gamer.
basically become its own brand, its own media company.
Yeah.
Like
It's
it's
crazy.
So a little quick wiki search. Ryan's World, formerly known as Ryan's Story Review, is a children's YouTube channel for children aged 2 to 6, featuring Ryan Kaji, along with his mother Loanne and father Shion and twin sisters. The channel usually releases a new video every day. So obviously, little extra note, according to Forbes, Kai has earned 11 million between 2016 and 2017,
Wow.
and now is listed as the highest paid YouTuber, earning 22 to 26 million respectively from the videos and production line. Wow.
It makes people question what they are doing with their jobs. Yes, seeing a child earn more than they do.
Well, I don't know. I that's a good discussion. That's
Is
good.
it my turn right now?
Yes, of course. What do you think about Ryan? Do you think that he has a nice life?
Yeah.
You ought to speak to the microphone, Hailey.
Yeah.
Yeah? So he gets to play with all these toys all the time?
Yeah. With Ryan toys and they do games look like games all the day.
Yeah.
And you think that's great?
Yeah, and then he got Ryan eggs.
Oh,
Ryan eggs. There we go. Do you also watch when Ryan's mom is teaching kids things?
Yeah, but he's taking.
At the microphone.
Yeah, and he speaks look like volcanoes, the sea, the things,
The things.
ocean,
Yeah.
the triangles, the shapes.
Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like that list. That's a nice list. So did she show you how a volcano works on the YouTube channel? Yeah. Can I speak now? Is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I'm going to talk to the both of you. So Ryan's mom really took that educational aspect of the media company, and she produces that. And
Nice.
I think it's pretty cool because there are like YouTube hacks type of content created. Yeah, you like how it sounds, huh? We're gonna do a little soundscape just now. And for example, people opening presents and eggs, and that I feel like that's like a content trap, you
And
know,
slime.
and slime and all that stuff, ASMR related. So Jean-Luc, let's go through that. What is ASMR?
ASMR is what I still think to be a obscure and niche side of YouTube that is at the same time huge. The ASMR community is very massive, very creative, to be honest,
Yeah.
and very active as well for the people who have found it. And ASMR is an abbreviation.
I'll give it to you. autonomous sensory meridian response.
So basically, the idea is when somebody whispers.
No. Let's do it. Do you still have the ice? Okay, guys. 1 second. Here we go. Hailey, we're gonna now be super quiet, and we're gonna create an ASMR experience.
I don't
Here we
have
go.
enough water though.
Here we go. Jean-Luc, you're in. Oh, excuse me. You're 2?
Yeah.
4. Oh, excuse me. Here we go.
Wait, Hailey, wait.
Okay. Yeah. So, just for our viewers to understand, very good, Hailey. Good job. It's empty.
It's empty. Yeah. Okay. No.
Okay, that's
too
enough,
loud.
that's
too
enough.
loud. Put the cup down, Hailey. Put it down.
Listen to your big
Yeah.
brother. Oh,
Too sweet.
There you go.
thank you.
Nice.
We're in Soppy Mix. Here, everything goes. So what we wanted to explain that people that have lots of problems sleeping is what it's really designed for.
Yeah.
ASMR is supposed to be a relaxing experience and hypersensitivity, right? So I guess the sensory meridian response is getting that,
The tingles.
the tingles, but I think it's also because of a hyper concentration on something, and that helps you. Why do people even meditate? Right? It's to stop the noise.
Yeah, yeah.
It's to flatten that thinking line. I think. Have you ever tried that, by the way?
Meditation?
Right.
Yes.
And how did it go?
Very, very difficult for me.
No, but it's difficult for everybody.
No. Yeah, a lot of background noises go on in my mind, so
Yeah, but that's the thing. I'll give you some advice.
tell me.
That's what you have to accept.
Is it my turn now?
Yes, of course it is. I'm so sorry. Me and Jean-Luc have been talking so long. Oh, go ahead. Why don't you go ahead and show people what you love the most? Let me help you. I will help you. No, I will help you. Show it. So, Hailey, I'm going to put it in front of the camera like this. And
Can we show
can you
it?
explain what that is?
It's an umbrella.
It's a pink umbrella.
Yeah.
And what does it say?
It's Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. I think every single parent on Aruba knows exactly who Paw Patrol is. And
Yeah.
you love it?
Yes.
And you got it this morning from mommy, right?
Yeah.
Here, why don't you show it to the public. Hold it.
Okay.
There you
Right
go.
there,
Show
yeah.
it to the camera right there. The camera's right here. See where my finger is?
Don't put it in front of it though.
There we
Oh,
go.
there you go.
Super.
Yeah.
And you love it, right? What do you think about Paw Patrol? Why don't you explain to our viewers?
I love it
Why do you love it?
because it's so save everyone.
Don't shake the microphone, Hailey.
Don't shake it. You gotta take care of it. So, what do you mean? Paw Patrol goes on missions to save people?
Yeah.
And you think that's a good thing?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it always saves people for they can stay alive.
Stay alive, right?
Do you think that's a good thing, Hailey?
Yeah.
Good.
You know what? Let's have some fun with our piece of technology. Let's give Hailey applause for a nice social thinking, positive thinking. Here we
Yeah.
wait. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Here we go. Yeah. So, does anybody know Paw Patrol? Do you know Paw Patrol, Jean-Luc?
I know Paw Patrol very well, yes. Not the characters, but basically they're just a bunch of puppies
Chase.
who...
Chase, Sky,
Oh.
Rubble,
Oh,
and Rubble.
am I forgetting?
Everest.
Everest.
And there's Marshall,
Marshall, right?
Rocky,
Rocky,
That's a lot.
Zuma,
Tuba,
Zuma,
oh
Zuma.
Zula,
Sky.
You said Sky already.
Okay. And Ryder.
And Ryder.
Ryder is a human.
Ryder's the person, the human. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk a little bit more. And now, is it my turn, Hailey? Can I talk about Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
You can see that you're my daughter.
Love the energy.
Love the energy. That's where she gets it from. Okay, now you have to calm down so I can talk, okay? And everybody can listen. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Cool. So, Paw Patrol is obviously a children's television series created by Keith Chapman, and it started primarily at TVO Kids. Interestingly, it has received many awards. The Academy of Canadian Cinema and Television and the Academy of Television Arts and Sciences. It's generated millions of dollars of revenue and increased Spin Master's presence in the preschool toy market.
Oh, you know what Spin Masters made?
Hailey, nay, calm down. Be part of the show. You have to take turns speaking, and now it's Jean-Luc's turn.
Okay.
Okay, hey, nay.
It's surprising that Paw Patrol is that successful that it increased Spin Masters, basically how much hold they have on the toy market, because Spin Masters is responsible for Beyblade in the West.
Beyblade, oh man, you loved that when you were a kid.
I still do. I still watch videos. It is so good.
Beyblade,
Yeah, and Bakugan too.
Bakugan.
Yeah.
Oh god, here we go.
And I think a few more. I think even Yu-Gi-Oh, but I'm not sure. But they're already very.
Expand on Beyblade. What was it?
Do you know what
No more, don't
Beyblade
do that,
is,
no
Hailey?
more.
What did you say again?
Beyblade. Do you know what Beyblade is, Hailey?
No.
Okay. So for any parents who might have had children who are around teens in the 2010s, 2015s-ish, might have heard about it. But what it was these customizable spinning tops that... doll, yeah.
Yeah.
That would come with special holders that could spin, and you would get arenas and you would have them fight against each other.
Yeah, I remember. I bought you the arena, and then some of them have different designs, and they would clash, and then it's basically a little. It was pretty cool. We played it.
Yeah.
We played it, and you would have your favorite ones, and they would have some weights on it and whatnot.
Different designs would lead to different interactions with the others.
No, now you have to wait your turn.
Okay.
Okay.
And it went pretty far, where even the tips. No.
Go ahead.
The points and the tips would lead to different ways to spin in the stadiums as well. So there would be like tactics, a way you would throw it, and basically a rock, paper, scissors mechanics within the game where one beats the other, and etc. etc.
Yeah, was it rock paper scissors mechanics? I guess
In the sense of
it's
one,
more like
three.
It's more like one against. Oh, you could also do teams. I remember that. Yeah. So let's go back to Hailey's favorite show. Can you go back, Hailey? Good job. Yeah, hugs are always welcome, right?
Yeah.
We love hugs. Can I tell the listeners about your favorite show? Hey, can I tell them?
For the viewers wondering what she's looking at.
Because remember, people are listening to you right now. Here we go. So another cultural impact information.
It's my turn now.
I just asked you if it's my turn. You have to wait. So did you know that the Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is a big fan of the show and uses it all the time in his speeches?
Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol.
Nice.
And Jimmy Kimmel, during the opening monologue of the 90th Academy Awards, joked with Timothée Chalamet that he's going to be in Dune. And we talked about Dune 2 weeks ago. Was missing in Paw Patrol, and Paw Patrol could save him or something like that. Pretty funny.
Nice.
Okay, 81. Now it's your turn again. Why don't you sit down?
Okay.
Okay. Do you like this music?
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit about music.
Yeah, because I love the music of Paw Patrol.
You want to listen to it?
Yeah.
Why don't we do that?
Yeah.
Let's stop this for a second. Jean-Luc, do you watch Paw Patrol?
I've seen a few clips of it actually. And from what I could have tell, it's the very typical 3D animation, very adorable, kid-friendly animation with nice action-packed music.
Well, let's listen to it. Here we go.
Are you ready for a Paw Patrol sing-along? Let's go!
All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Do you know the Paw Patrol? The Paw Patrol.
Go ahead. You can sing, Hailey.
Love the Paw Patrol.
Protects adventure.
Hey.
Chase is on the case.
You know the police pup, the police pup, the police
I don't remember it sounding like this.
pup. Yes, his name is Chase.
Yeah, and his name is Chase. Remember, we do have to deal with royalties, so let's not continue that.
Yeah.
And no. Oh, she's dancing. She's dancing in the studio. Oh, by the way, for our public, Hailey loves to dance.
Yeah. For those who are wondering what she's looking at, we have a screen that is showing us what you guys are seeing.
Yeah, go ahead here. Go ahead here. Go over there. Yeah. Go ahead. Give us a show. Oh my God. There we go. Watch out. That was enough. Okay. Come back.
Be careful.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh.
Yeah. Keep going. Yeah. There you go. Are you breakdancing?
Go Hailey.
Go Hailey. Go Hailey. Go Hailey.
Go.
All right, Schattenbout. Why don't you come back to the show?
Do you need me to put on the headphones for you again, Hailey?
I think she's doing a sort of an exit. All right, for our listeners, it's a different show today. We're going a little bit chaotic.
Clearly.
And yeah, now you know how my house is like. All right, Schatje, that's enough. Come sit. Come with Papi. Come with Papi.
Up.
Come. Sit down.
Sit down, Hailey. Come on.
Come on.
There you go.
There we go. Sit down so we can start ending the show. No, leave it without the show. Sit down. Sit. We're sort of becoming tech impact kids. No? Can you sit down, please? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
Pull it back down for you. There you go. What type of music do you like?
The one of LOL too.
Oh.
Right.
Look like this. I can keep
That's funny. That's funny. So,
And before there's LOL dolls, and they play it, and then they change color.
do they change color? How do they change color?
They put cold water and then ice, a lot of ice, and then they
And then it changed with temperature.
then it will be super cold, and they'll change color.
Okay, then. All right. So is that science? Did they use science for that?
No, they just play it for they can show people, toy people, and Vampirina.
Oh, nice, nice.
Vampirina can turn to a bat.
Wow. That's a lot of information.
It all-
Now,
yes.
what we're going to do, remember, Ailey, we're here about technology, and the show is about YouTube and games. And let me tell you, I love the game Splatoon from the Nintendo Switch. And Jean-Luc loves...
A lot of games.
Go ahead.
Warframe.
Warframe. Yeah, I see you doing that all the time. Okay. You know what, Hailey? Why don't you sit with Poppy? Here. Right there. And let's start ending the show. Come sit with me. Yeah, sit next to Poppy. Very good. Sit right next to Poppy. Good job. You did a great job. High five. Nice dance. Now sit next to me so we can end the show.
Make the show at the end.
There we go. Yeah. Now you can talk with me. Okay, but let's talk about the games, and then we're gonna sign off. Okay. So Jean-Luc,
What's your
Your fa-
favorite game, Hailey?
what's your favorite game?
I like the unicorn games.
The unicorn game.
I like the Minecrafting.
Minecraft.
Oh.
And I like Minecraft Dungeon.
Minecraft
well.
Dungeon. Oh, I don't.
I
Yeah.
like Splatoon 2.
You like Splatoon 2 too?
Yeah. And I like
Don't you play a lot of Super Mario with Ethan?
I like Super Mario Odyssey.
Ah, yeah.
And I like the cat game.
Oh,
You mean Cattails?
Yeah.
it is the cat game.
It's the cat game. No.
Oopsie. Look at that.
Yeah, you think it's so cool to see you on the screen.
Look, the screen.
Okay, we're gonna sign off. Jean-Luc, I think it was fun to share it with family. Do you have anything to say?
Sponsors.
Yes. Oh, yes. I'm so sorry. We really want to thank Subway. That was nice, and let's give Subway a round of applause. Go ahead, Hailey. Nice.
We also want to thank Spin Masters,
Swing Masters.
Swing Masters. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm still in a few
Good morning.
conversations back. Good morning. Yeah. Yes. Applause for Swing Masters.
Go ahead,
Press
Hailey.
it. Press it.
Press it.
Just press it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. And then last but not least, credits.
Credits.
And shout out to the Soppy Mix team. I want to thank everybody for letting my family to come here and listen a little bit to how we engage technology, I guess. And this is, and let's Hailey, why don't you say the final goodbye? And remember, you were at Soppy Mix, and talk to the people to the world. Say something.
I like the whole world place.
Okay, with that, we're out. Bye, everybody. Yeah.